Hello boys of class 8. Welcome you on revision class of mathematics. I am A B Chitra sir. Today we will start the chapter called pattern. From here I will show you an creative question, how to solve the creative question. Let us see from today's session. Now here is your creative question. 7, 16, 25, 34, 43. So that is our stem for the CQ. Now let us look at the question. First of all, express 25 and 34 as a summation of two square numbers. As we know, this can come from the stem or any portion of the book. This could be related with stem or not. Both are correct. Then the second question for 4 marks. Find the 20th number of the list by defining the formula. That means we have to find out the formula for the pattern, algebraic expression of the pattern, and then find the 20th number of the pattern. Then in number C, the third question, this is also for 4 marks. Find the sum of the first 60 numbers of the list above. Now we will see the solution of this creative. Let us start from question number A. In question number A, we have to find the sum of two square number, that is up to 25 and 34. Two different square number obviously. At first let us see how we can express 25 as a sum of two square number. 25 can be written as 16 plus 9. From here we can easily see that 16 is the square number of 4 and 9 is the square number of 3. So it can be written as 4 square plus 3 square. So here it is, 25 expressed as the sum of two square number. Then the second number 34 can be written like 25 plus 9. Here also 25 is the square of 5 and 9 is the square number of 3. So it can be written like 5 square plus 3 square. So in this process 25 and 34 as expressed as a summation of two square numbers. Now let us move to the question number B. That is, we have to find out the 20th number of the pattern by explaining the expression, algebraic expression for the pattern. For that, let us at first see the pattern, which is given like this: 7, 16, 25, 34, 43, and it's going on. It's continuous. So here we can see the first term is 7. Now if we see the difference between each two term is same, so we can call it common difference. So common difference finding, it is 9. So we have to express the numbers in terms of 9. As earlier we have solved this type of problem. Now the first number, that is 7, can be expressed in terms of 9, like 9 ones are 9 minus 2 becomes 7. Second number term, which is 16, can be expressed by 9 twos are 18 minus 2. Third term and fourth term similarly, 25 can be expressed 9 threes are 27 minus 2, and 34, 9 fours are 36 minus 2. Similarly, fifth number can be expressed by 9 fives are 45 minus 2. So if you can see that every term, every number of term is multiplied with 9 and then subtraction 2 from that becomes the number of the pattern. Here first number, first term, that's why here multiply with 1 along with 9. In the second term 9 multiplied with 2, in the third term 9 multiplied with 3, and in the fourth term 9 multiplied with 4. So each time the number of term is multiplied with 9, then subtracted 2 from that number, then we got the number of the pattern. So in this process, nth number should be 9 into n minus 2, that is 9n minus 2. So that is the algebraic expression of the pattern. So the 20th number should be n replaced by 20, that is 9 into 20 minus 2, that becomes 180 minus 2 becomes 178. So that was the required answer for question number B. Now let us move to the next part, that is question number C, that find out sum of 60 terms, first 60 terms of the given pattern. So for that we need this algebraic expression that we have found from B. So we have written the algebraic expression of the pattern, that is 9n minus 2. Then we need the first term, that is 7. Last term, that means the 60th term, that is 9 into 60 minus 2 becomes 538. Following the algebraic expression of the pattern, we find the 60th term. Now how many terms there are? As here it is very clearly defined that there are first 60 terms. Then also I have showed how to find out the term number, last term minus first term, then add of 1, it becomes 60. If in any maths you are asked to find out the sum of 55 term to 125 term, then you have to minus 125 minus 55, then add 1, then you will get the number of term. That is why I have showed you how to find out the number of term. Now we know sum of 60 terms or sum of any pattern, the formula is like this: first term plus last term multiply with number of terms divided by 2. So here if we replace first term by 7, last term by 60, sorry, last term is 538, 60th term, the number of term is 60, then we get like this: 7 plus 538 into 60 divided by 2. Now this 2 can divide 60 and makes 30. So 7 plus 538 becomes 548, multiply with 30, and this multiplication becomes 16,350. So that is first 60 terms summation of the given algebraic pattern. That was the required answer for question number C. So boys, you have seen how to solve the pattern creative, and if there is any question from this type math, mention that problem in the comment section. Next we will try to do another solution of another creative question from another chapter. Okay boys, so bye for today.